Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take elderberry cuttings. First, choose healthy, dormant stems, ideally from the previous year's growth. Look for branches that are about the thickness of a pencil. Using clean, sharp pruning shears, make your cuts carefully to avoid harming the parent plant. Having your rooting medium ready, such as a good quality potting mix or perlite, will make the next steps much smoother. This easy method ensures a high success rate for new plants. Now let's prepare your cuttings. Take your selected stems and cut them into sections that are about 6 to 8 inches long. It's important that each section includes at least 2 nodes, which are the small bumps where leaves or branches emerge. Next, carefully remove all the leaves from the bottom 2/3 of each cutting. This helps prevent moisture loss and encourages root development. Aim for a clean cut just below a node at the bottom. To encourage strong root growth, dip the bottom end of each cutting into a rooting hormone. This step significantly increases your chances of success. Then, insert the treated end of each cutting about 2 to 3 inches deep into your prepared rooting medium. You can place several cuttings in one pot, ensuring they have enough space. Maintain consistent moisture in the medium, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to rot. For the next few weeks, place your cuttings in a warm spot that receives indirect sunlight. Avoid direct, harsh sun, which can stress the young plants. You should start to see roots forming within 4 to 8 weeks. You can gently check for root development by tugging lightly on a cutting. Once a good root system has developed, transplant your new elderberry plants into individual pots or directly into your garden, ensuring they have adequate space to grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.